Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a super fun and trending tutorial how to turn your own photo into a Chibi emoji sticker using Google Gemini's brand new Nano Banana tool. And trust me, this is going to be so cute and really easy to do. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just go ahead and open Google Gemini like this. And then make sure you are logged in with your Google account so you can access all the features. And now just tap on create image, this one, or you can just choose a tools icon and then just choose create images, this one. This option is powered by Nano Banana, the latest AI imaging editing feature from Google that lets you instantly transform picture with just a prompt. Next, just click on upload photo and then select any picture of yourself or anyone that you want to turn into a sticker. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then choose your photo. Just try to pick a photo where the face is clear because it makes the result even better. Now just come the fun part, writing the prompt. Earlier I already made a prompt that you guys can use. Just you can just copy my prompt like this. You can copy this exactly or feel free to tweak it however you like to match your own styles. I will copy my prompt and then just go back to your Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just hit generate. And okay, like this, your photo is instantly transformed into adorable GB stickers like this. And honestly, it's super cute. And okay, that's it. Super quick, super fun, and totally free to try. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!